Geranium oil. Geranium oil has been shown to balance hormones and improve mood, as well as promote irregularity of the menstrual cycle during perimenopause. 1 to 2 drops with a napkin can be inhaled for immediate stress relief. Pine oil. Pine oil is believed to help reduce bone loss and protect against osteoporosis. Pine bark extract can reduce oxidative stress, hot flushes, and mood levels. Rose oil. This oil can help strengthen the uterus. In addition, it can improve mood and reduce hot flushes. Rosehip oil is also beneficial in controlling blood pressure and improves mood and overall sleep. Lavender oil. Sleep problems and feelings of depression can be caused by hormone changes that occur during menopause. This oil promotes feelings of sleep and relaxation. Lavender oil helps to balance hormones, reduce cramps, calm stress, and help manage menopause-related headaches and heart palpitations. Chamomile tea is a light drink made from small, daisy-like flowers. People have long used chamomile tea to reduce anxiety, relax, and sleep better. A study of 80 women who drank chamomile tea daily found that the tea reduced symptoms of insomnia. Lemongrass tea. Lemongrass is also used as a home remedy to promote sleep, relieve pain, and boost immunity. One of the most popular ways to enjoy lemongrass is through tea. Warm lemon water before bed. If you do not drink herbal tea, then a cup of hot water with a little lemon can prove beneficial for you. A cup of warm lemon water before bedtime works to improve digestion as well as promote better sleep. Experts say that people who regularly eat breakfast in the morning, their brain works more effectively than those who do not pay attention to breakfast. Along with this, having regular breakfast does not cause heart problems, metabolism remains balanced, maintains a healthy weight, energy remains in the body throughout the day, and the risk of diabetes is also reduced. Experts suggest that those people who are preparing for an exam or working for a big project or in a stressful job should not skip breakfast at all. Apart from this, it is very important for menopausal and pregnant women, athletes, patients of chronic disease to have breakfast regularly. Experts say that along with having breakfast in the morning, it is also important that what you are eating. In such a situation, instead of packaged food, have freshly made breakfast at home. Eating nuts is also beneficial if there is no time to make breakfast. What happens if you don't have breakfast? Acidity, swelling, anxiety, headache, migraine, irregular periods, vitamin B12D deficiency, protein deficiency. If you are facing the problem of constipation, then you can use warm water and ghee to get relief from it. Kapil Tyagi, head doctor of Kapil Ayurveda Clinic, Noida, Uttar Pradesh, telling you how you can use ghee and hot water to get rid of the serious problem of constipation. According to the doctor, ghee lubricates our digestive system so that bowel movements can be done easily. Plus, when mixed with warm water, it can make your solid stools softer. Apart from this, hot water can also help in flushing out waste from the body. This can prove to be very effective for you. Keep in mind that constipation occurs when the digestive system, intestines, and colon become hard and dry. The properties of ghee soften the system and help in easy removal of waste from the body. What is the right way to consume ghee and hot water? For this, first heat a glass of warm water and mix 1 spoon of ghee in it and take it on an empty stomach in the morning. You can drink it daily. Keep in mind that the water should not be too hot. According to Shikha Agrawal Sharma, director and nutritionist and dietitian, Fat to Slim, the rainy season is a breeding time for various microbes and bacteria, which can easily contaminate green vegetables. The soil in which they grow can be highly contaminated. The leafier the plants, the easier it is for them to spread the infection. There is no doubt that brinjal curry and its bharta are amazing. But it is wise to avoid consuming this vegetable during the rainy season. It is believed that during the rainy season, the risk of worms in brinjal increases. Although brinjal contains alkaloids that protect it from insect attacks, it still gets worms during the rainy season. Its consumption during this time increases the risk of itching, hives, nausea and skin rashes, allergies and stomach infections. Green leafy vegetables are a great breeding ground for many microbes and bacteria during monsoons. Leafy vegetables are at the highest risk of contamination during rains. No matter how much you wash your greens, dirt and insects can still remain in it. Especially mustard greens can be harmful for you. Capsicum and the vegetables of this family are a treasure trove of flavor and all the nutrients. But it is best to avoid consuming them during the monsoon season. The main reason for this abstinence is that when capsicum is chewed, the glucosinolates present in it are converted into isothiocyanates. Simply put, its consumption can cause diarrhea, vomiting, nausea and breathing problems. Therefore, it is better not to eat them at all during drizzle. Cauliflower is generally not a vegetable of this season. Its yield is high in winter. The cauliflower you are eating now is old, and that is why it is more prone to worms. This vegetable is high in chemical compounds called glucosinolates, which can cause allergic reactions if consumed during rains. Shikha believes that although vegetables should be avoided in this season, but if you want to eat, then make sure that you eat it after boiling well. Cook the vegetables for at least 30 minutes to kill bacteria. Many people have a habit of waking up all night and going to sleep in the morning. Most of these people attribute sleeplessness to sleeplessness throughout the night. Do you know that the reason for sleeplessness at night can be the food you eat for dinner? Yes, there are many such foods and vegetables which are forbidden to be eaten at night. It also includes those foods which are beneficial for your health but not for your sleep. Let us tell you about such super healthy food which should not be eaten at night. Rajma. According to the US Department of Agriculture, nutrients like iron, copper, folate, magnesium, calcium and vitamin C are found in kidney beans. Along with this, fiber is also found in it, which works to strengthen digestion as well as get rid of problems like constipation. Despite being so beneficial, it is advised not to eat it at night because the fiber present in it works to make painful gas. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is very good for health in general, but they should not be consumed before sleeping. These vegetables can interfere with your ability to sleep well, because you are digesting the fiber present in it even while trying to fall asleep. Cucumber. Cucumber is made up of 95% water. Consuming plenty of it definitely makes you feel full and full. But eating them should be avoided at night as it can cause bloating along with disrupting sleep. Tomato. Eating tomatoes can have a negative effect on your sleep. This is mainly due to tyramine, a type of amino acid that increases your brain activity and delays sleep. Apart from this, due to the high vitamin C content present in it, it also causes acidity if not digested properly at night. According to diabetes.org, UK, if you have diabetes and you drink alcohol or not, but you should be aware of how alcohol affects your body and it can be controlled. For example, drinking alcohol can make you more likely to have a hypo, because alcohol affects blood sugar levels. It can also affect your weight as it contains a lot of calories. There are many risk factors for type 2 diabetes including family history, age, etc. Apart from this, people who are overweight have a higher risk of diabetes. Excess alcohol consumption is associated with an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. In fact, alcohol can also contain a lot of calories, which can lead to weight gain. Wine and beer can have a lot of calories. So if you are trying to lose weight, this is the roadblock for you. Keep in mind that obesity is also a major cause of diabetes. If you drink a lot or on an empty stomach, you are even more likely to have a hypo. Your risk of getting a hypo doesn't decrease when you stop drinking alcohol, it increases and can persist for up to 24 hours. Keep in mind that those with you while you drink should know you have diabetes so that you can be helped with the hypo if needed. According to the Mayo Clinic, bronchitis is a disease that occurs when the bronchial tubes that carry air to your lungs become inflamed. This is followed by cough with mucus, sore throat, and lethargy. There are two types of bronchitis to look out for: acute bronchitis and chronic bronchitis. Infection with respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, shows symptoms that are similar to those of the flu. It is a common respiratory virus that usually causes mild, cold-like symptoms, from which most people recover within a week or two. However, when it comes to infants and older people, the disease can take a serious toll. Human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, attacks the body's immune system, which in turn can cause flu-like symptoms. These symptoms persist for about 2 to 4 weeks after infection. Some common symptoms include fever, chills, rashes, night sweats, or muscle aches. Currently, there is no effective cure for HIV, and people who become infected with the virus have it for life. However, treatment involves reducing the amount of virus in the body and helping to stay healthy. Pneumonia is far more related to a respiratory illness than the flu, but it can cause symptoms that initially seem like a less worrisome condition. This occurs when an infection inflames the air sacs in one or both lungs. This lung infection can cause symptoms such as cough, fever, chills, fatigue, and shortness of breath. Meningitis is a condition that causes inflammation of the membranes called meninges that protect the brain and spinal cord. The initial symptoms of this disease are similar to the flu. As a result, its diagnosis is often delayed. Some of its common symptoms include headache, fever, and fatigue. Not only can meningitis be caused by bacterial or viral infection of the fluid surrounding the brain and spinal cord, but it can also result from injuries, cancer, certain medications, and other types of infections.